Hello friends! So today is a wonderful day and I decided to make this succulent arrangement, mini garden, to give as a present to my friend Wintershine. Please, if you're not yet her subscriber, go to her YouTube channel, Wintershine. So I made this as a gift idea. I have this broken teapot. It was tipped on its it broke by accident, so instead of throwing it, I think it will be a good idea to put it in my succulent arrangements. So here we go. Just watch the video until the end and you will see, and you will get some nice idea what to do and what to give if you're tired of giving stuff that's coming from the shop. Sometimes the best gift is the one that is made with love by your own hands. I don't know, but that's for me. For me, I really appreciate a gift that was really made with effort and with love. Of course, I appreciate gifts from shop. I appreciate gifts from both from the stores, but the most and the best gift is the one that we made by our hands. So I have these succulents and little plants that was left by the winter. I wasn't here for like more than a month. I was in Dubai, so now I am in Lebanon, and I am doing this one here in Lebanon. And when I came, a lot of my succulents were ruined by the hail. It was already almost springtime and still the hail came, so I had lots of succulents that was ruined. I thank God that I still have these little babies, little ones that was the leftover. Of course, they will grow again, but they didn't look that much beautiful because they had so much how we say, like burned blisters caused by the hail. So yeah, watch me doing this until the end, and if you are new to my channel, I would really appreciate if you would leave a thumbs up, a message, and please subscribe and just leave a message so I can get back to you. I hope that you will enjoy this DIY and watch until the end how I gave it to Wintershine.
Ako lang daw isa may gawa.